to my channel.
What are we gonna do today, Jace?
Some cake.
Yeah. Some cake.
This.
Why?
Yeah, some white cake. We're gonna make some white cake. So we're gonna start off.
So we have the flour in here now, right? You wanna show your friends?
Yeah. Whoa, it's gonna fall.
So we're gonna get rid of the lumps. So you wanna mix it? Yeah, we're gonna mix it so you can get rid of all the lumps.
Spoon, teaspoon. So Jace, this is baking powder. You wanna tell your friends what this is?
Yeah. Baking powder.
That's right.
I
It's
think
baking powder.
I can say baking powder.
Yeah, it's baking powder for our cake. So it
This
can
is
fluff
flour.
up.
This is flour, right?
Yes.
Fry, eat the flour. Hi.
And then
Wow.
half of that.
You have to roll it more.
Yeah.
You have to roll it.
There you go.
Roll it. Yeah.
Roll it, roll it, roll it.
Good job, Jace. Tell your friends what we're adding now.
Add this oil.
Olive oil. Good job.
Yeah,
Jace,
yeah.
what do you think? Should we use olive oil or canola oil?
Two.
A mixture of both?
Yeah.
Good job. Okay. Good idea. Good idea. We'll do both.
Okay, I'm gonna put some oil here.
Okay, let's put oil.
All right. Be careful, little by little. Okay.
And
That's enough. All right. Good job. Now we're gonna add. This one because you said you wanted both, right?
Yeah.
Can I put it?
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you. Tell me when to stop.
and
Stop.
Thank you.
Put it in the cup.
Be careful. Be careful.
Oh yeah. Oh wait. Wait. Oh no, it's okay.
it's okay. We'll clean it up.
Yeah.
We had a little spill, but it's okay.
Yeah, it's okay.
Those are his cleaning powers.
That's cleaning superpower.
Cleaning super water.
Water.
Yes.
Well, and this makes it.
And now you mix it. Yeah. Mix, 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 mix. And so because we're doing an eggless cake, we're gonna use
It smells
For
good.
balsamic
I think it
water.
smells good.
also known as aquafaba.
Does it smell good?
Yeah,
It smells delicious.
It looks yummy.
It
Yeah, do you
smells
smell
really good.
Yeah. It smells like. What smells like?
Vanilla? Does it smell like vanilla?
Smells like
Cake.
smells like cake.
Yeah. Okay. Look at that guy. He wants to make cake too.
Yeah, that guy is you.
You want to make cake with us too?
Yeah. Look. Wow, we're making like a bowl.
Look, we're adding
We're
something.
gonna add some almond extract.
You want to show the friends?
Yeah.
Some almond extract.
Omelette.
Oh, that was a little bit too much for today.
That's silly.
Do you smell that, Jace?
Smells like almonds. Smells like nutty, right?
Nutty.
So we're gonna add about 1/4 cup of aquafaba.
Alcafaba?
Yeah.
Alcafaba is super delicious, right?
Yeah, it is.
Show your friends the cake batter. Wow.
It looks like ice cream.
Yeah, it kind of does. You want to show them again?
Yeah.
Wow.
So we're foaming up the aquafaba, right? So it can be like
Aquafaba?
so the cake can be spongy and fluffy.
Oh.
Baba.
Look at bubbles.
Yeah, so we're just putting a bunch of foam in there.
Bunch of bubbles.
It's foam.
Okay, put lot.
It's like
And mix it up.
okay, mix it, mix it.
Can I mix it?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Whoa, that's fast.
Oh yeah, that's right.
You can do that.
Yeah.
You mix. You can do that for you mix. It smells bad.
Yeah, it smells kind of funky, but once it's in the cake batter, it'll definitely like be disguised by the taste. So It's all good. It's all good. No need to worry. I promise. It's cake. Nice. So we've added what so far? We've added the oil. We've added the alfalfa. We've added the baking powder, right? And the water.
Yeah.
So I think and the almond extract. I am going to.
Hi, chicos.
Hi, chicos. We're going to wrap this in aluminum foil.
Wow, that's a beautiful cake.
I know. It's really.
Guys, we're about to finish our cake now.
Keep putting it right here.
Yes, sir. Can I pour it in there?
Yeah. Whoa, 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 whoa. It's making a mess. Whoa, 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 whoa. Yummy.
You're like, all right, guys, we're gonna put it in the oven.
It's oven time. I'm super strong to hold
Yes, you are.
it. Excited.
Excited.
Excited. Look, I'm excited.
We're excited for this cake.